Pakistan, is there going to be action next? Will there be a total complete integration of Pak-occupied Kashmir?
जब देश में एक धाकड़ सरकार होती है तो दुश्मन भी कुछ करने से पहले 100 बार सोचता है। जो पाकिस्तान 70 सालों से भारत को परेशान कर रहा था, आज उसके हाथ में भीख का कटोरा है। जब धाकड़ सरकार होती है, दुश्मन कांपता है।
It's Dhakad Hindustan versus Dara Hua Pakistan. A small glimmer of the warning that Prime Minister Modi gave in 2024 was witnessed at the global stage in London, where External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar checked Pakistan's fake propaganda. It all started when a Pakistani journalist tried to put the Indian Foreign Minister on the spot during his trip to UK. The Pak scribe, while asking S. Jaishankar a question, started with, "Let me start by making you nervous," and then went on to ramble the same templated ISI script on Kashmiris and Kashmir being up in arms against India, after which he asked our Foreign Affairs Minister if Prime Minister Narendra Modi will use his friendship with US President Donald Trump to solve the Kashmir issue. And that was it. S. Jaishankar not only slow-roasted the Pakistani journalist with panache and threw facts about Kashmir's progress, its upliftment and its economic success story, but also told him in clear words that the Kashmir problem will be solved if Pakistan vacates Pak-occupied Kashmir and returns the stolen part of Kashmir. This takedown is possibly the best thing you will watch today.
My name is Nisar. I am an author and a journalist. Let me make you a little nervous, Your Excellency. Thank you very much for your dissertation. Yeah. Kashmiris are up in arms because India is occupying Kashmir illegally. That's the reason why they are protesting. Now, given Mr. Trump's zeal for striking peace and peace deal, can Narendra Modi use his friendship with Donald Trump to solve out the problem of Kashmir? There are 1 million soldiers stationed in Kashmir to control 7 million Kashmiris. So what are you going to do about the Kashmir problem? Okay, you haven't spoken about it.
On Kashmir, actually we have done, I think, a good job solving most of it. I think removing Article 370 was step number one. Then restoring growth and economic activity and social justice in Kashmir was step number 2. Holding elections, which were done with a very high turnout, was step number 3. I think the part we are waiting for is the return of the stolen part of Kashmir, which is on the under illegal Pakistani occupation. When that's done, I assure you, Kashmir solved.
The Narendra Modi government stand on POK has been clear since the very beginning. Be it Home Minister Amit Shah's "Jaan bhi de denge" assertion on the floor of the House in Lok Sabha during the debate on Article 370 in 2019, to Raksha Mantri Rajnath Singh's "POK Hamara hai" pledge, or Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath saying that POK integration will be complete in PM Modi's 3rd term. The commitment towards POK is one of the top priorities of the Modi government. Is this why the Pakistani establishment is quaking in its boots?
कि जम्मू एंड कश्मीर के पीएको को आप भारत का हिस्सा नहीं मानते हो क्या? एग्रेसिव ना हो, जान दे देंगे इसके लिए। क्या बात कर रहे हो आप? एग्रेसिव होने की क्या बात कर रहे हो? जान दे देंगे इसके लिए। मैं ये बात रिकॉर्ड पर रखना चाहता हूं कि जब मैं सदन में जब जम्मू एंड कश्मीर राज्य बोला हूं, तब तक पाक ऑक्यूपाइड कश्मीर और अक्साई चीन दोनों इसका हिस्सा है, ये बात को
बहन भाइयों, पीओके हमारा था, पीओके हमारा है, पीओके हमारा रहेगा। आप चिंता मत करो, भारत की ताकत बढ़ रही है। भारत का डेवलपमेंट जितनी तेजी के साथ हो रहा है।
आप देखना, चुनाव के बाद मोदी जी को तीसरी बार प्रधानमंत्री बने दीजिए, अगले 6 महीने के अंदर आप देखेंगे कि पाक अधिकृत कश्मीर भी भारत का हिस्सा हुआ।
अरे राहुल बाबा, डरना है तो डरो, हम तो भाजपा वाले हैं, भाजपा वाले हैं। मैं आज बताकर जाता हूं, नरेंद्र मोदी हमारे नेता है। पाक ऑक्यूपाइड कश्मीर भारत का था, है और रहेगा।
Well, if there's anyone who's getting jittery and nervous, it's the Prime Minister of Pakistan. If you don't believe me, take a look at this meltdown.
ਤੇ ਮੈਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਇੱਕ ਵਾਅਦਾ ਕਰ ਚਲਿਆ ਕਿ ਪਾਕਿਸਤਾਨ ਨੂੰ ਅਸੀਂ ਇਨਸ਼ਾਅੱਲਾ ਉਸ ਰੱਬ ਨੂੰ ਮਨਜ਼ੂਰ ਹੈ, ਰੱਬ ਸੋਹਣੇ ਨੂੰ ਮਨਜ਼ੂਰ ਹੈ, ਉਸ ਰੱਬ ਸੋਹਣੇ ਨੂੰ ਮਨਜ਼ੂਰ ਹੋਇਆ ਤੇ ਇਨਸ਼ਾਅੱਲਾ ਮਿਹਨਤ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ, ਰਾਤ ਦਿਨ ਮਿਹਨਤ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ तो एक दिन आएगा कि हिंदुस्तान ਨੂੰ ਪਿੱਛੇ ਨਾ ਛੱਡੇ ਤੇ ਮੇਰਾ ਨਾਮ ਸ਼ਮਾਲ ਸ਼ਰੀਫ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈ।
So ultimatum has been given. Will it be followed by action? Let's open this up and go across to our guests. We're joined by Umar Altaf, Pakistani journalist, and we have Dr. Bansal, Director, India Foundation. Let me begin with you, Mr. Altaf. A simple solution that was being asked by the journalist, a response has been given. Our foreign minister has made it simple. You want a solution for Kashmir? Return the stolen part. Give us back Pak-occupied Kashmir. Mil gaya solution aapko.
Okay, if wishes were horses, you can try and take over if you want. Abhinandan tried it in February 5 years ago, and you saw the results of it. Any misadventure, India...
What was the result?
What
was the result?
Your plane was shot down, your pilot was captured, he was beaten.
Came back to India.
He was beaten by the villagers.
He was returned back to India. He came back to India. We got him back.
But his plane was
We
shot
got
down.
him back,
He didn't
Mr.
got the
Altaf.
plane.
We got him back, and we
You
never,
remember the-
we
you remember the
never
war?
shied away from that. We never shied away. In fact,
you
our
lost
prime,
the plane
in
and
fact,
your
our prime
pilot
minister
was
said,
captured.
"Ghar mein ghus ke marenge."
Your pilot was captured in the process.
Our
and
prime
his
minister
plane-
said,
and
"Ghar
his
mein ghus
toy-
ke marenge."
and his
We never
toy
shied
was
away from
broken.
that. We got him back. You had to give him back to us.
You can come up with these cheap statements, but
It's not a
when
cheap
the battle
statement.
took
It's a
place-
reality. You know that.
When the battle took place, you got a bloody nose.
Yeah.
If you don't feel it, that's your problem. But you got a bloody nose when push came to shove.
And is that the reason why? And is that the reason why that India still maintains that we don't need interference from any other nation, while you keep on every global platform raising the Kashmir issue and running around town seeking help from every other country because you're confident that you'll not be able to
Look,
solve
the
it
peop-
yourself?
The people of Kashmir are fed up of the Indian occupation. So that's why they're killing your soldiers as well. You're losing so many soldiers in Kashmir. That's because the people don't accept Indian hegemony in Kashmir.
This is how you spread fake propaganda.
Sooner or later, you
This
would
is
have
how
to
you
give
spread
Kashmir.
fake propaganda. The attacks are carried out by terrorists who get funding and shelter from your country, from
it's a reaction
Pakistan.
against
And that's in
your
fact
policy.
another
These
feather
are-
in the cap
these are-
of our army
these are
that we've been
indigenous-
able
these are
to
indigenous
eliminate the top
Kashmiris.
commanders of the terrorist organizations that you feed,
Let me please
that you
complete,
feed,
then you can
that you give
respond,
shelter
then you
to.
can respond and ask questions. It's your job to moderate the show. You aren't a participant that you come up with such opinions.
I can always ask you a follow-up question since it's a debate.
You can ask
it's
me
a debate and I'm asking you follow-up questions.
Follow-up question, but don't give me your unsolicited opinions.
I'm
because
not
you're
giving
an
you any
anchor.
opinions. I'm just responding. I'm responding back with facts. Let me bring in Dr. Bansal. Dr. Bansal, now the question asked by the Pakistani journalist was, will Prime Minister Narendra Modi speak to Donald Trump? India has always maintained we do not want anyone's interference. We can solve the Kashmir issue on our own. And if at all it is between two countries, it's India and Pakistan. But Pakistan just always acts on the script given by ISI to them, run around, go to other countries and try and play a victim card, but no help offered.
See, let there be clarity. right from the time the United Nations passed a resolution, it asked Pakistan to vacate this part, which is illegally occupied. United Nations declared them as aggressors. They were asked to vacate this part, ensure that all people who have come from their country, the tribals, the so-called tribals, should be pulled back. They never complied with United Nations resolutions. After Shimla Agreement, they said anything that is there, we'll resolve it bilaterally. Their then Prime Minister signed it. So what is it? That Pakistan is known for not sticking to its assertions, its commitments. So in Shimla Agreement, you said you'll decide it bilaterally. Now you keep going to everyone, requesting every platform, every public platform, you want them to interfere, do something. Now, as far as Altaf's point is that you cannot take it, we took 804 square kilometers of that territory in 1971. Please have an idea. It's not that what it was, you took in 48 remains there. 71, we have taken back 804 square kilometers out of that. And very soon we'll take the rest. There is no doubt about it. The people in this part are equally disturbed.
Right.
What happened in May
Absolutely.
2024.
Yes, absolutely. In fact, as far as people of POK are concerned, they raise Azadi slogans, they protest against the occupiers there, which is the Pakistani force, and they ask India to intervene and to help them get freedom from the occupying force. Mr. Altaf and Dr. Bansal, thank you very much for joining us on the broadcast. We are moving on.